Thus I hold myself not paid by love's own wage, and reason for speaking ill overflows in me before the coming of spring's fair page. I wish to make a servant as heard and seen, and in place of a true message, to say to the three disinherited in their rage, that since a man is so stripped of shames presage, that within his heart's own cage he fears not disgrace. Dishonored life's assuage is worth far more than death and burial stage. Dishonored with but little worth equipage, lives every man once he lets himself be shamed and flee, and disinherited without outcries wage, and without making contradictions plea. And if he understands my language, our king of Aragon, well, it pleases me that nobly he has a mill reclaimed in fee, which he won by vassalage. Nor was he shamed nor blamed for it, you see, nor took he truce, nor sought he treaties key. When he sees from Beaucaire the tower's vantage, the Count of Toulouse well may rejoice with glee, for with great honor to his own advantage he has retaken the going in and out quite free. Yet within his own hermitage they say still, though it displeases him mightily, fair sir, why do you take as comfort's gauge the comfort of the wild man's page? The Count who once was called the Duke in vassalage, but the county is not whole in its assembly. Well, it pleases me of the Count, my lord, in truth engaged, for I see him gather the revenue in fee from the port of Marseille with honor's privilege, but the Count of Toulouse made him hold it, you see. The other year at the great passage, for which my lord is drained and bare of glee, and my lord lives honored in his heritage, lightly the damage will turn its page, since he has anchored the church in its hermitage, and seeks not pardon for his sins' outrage. If he should recall the dishonor's outrage, that wickedness makes them suffer in their passage from all free, I shall have ill love for my wage. But so may God guard her whom I desire engage, who holds my heart in hostage. Let every man know he be angered in his rage, be prayed by me for my own damage. And if I speak any outrage, it is made me say by the worth and the high peerage of her to whom I have given my heart's engage. Beaten lady to whom I've given my heart's engage, gay I live through you, and envied in my age, when I think that with joy's glad page I shall yet be loved by you upon love's stage, if ever the will to love takes you in its gauge. dun 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 dun.